Hello guys, welcome to QA Studio channel. In this tutorial, we are going to build Selenium Java framework with the help of page object model. In the first session of this tutorial series, we have seen what is automation framework, what is data-driven testing. Also, we have created the one framework, one Maven project, and in this project, we have created some folder like configuration, driver, log, screenshot. Also, in the SRC test Java, we have created some packages like pages package. In these packages, we save the all pages related object. In the test case packages, we will save all the test class related object. In the test data, we will save the test data and the utilities file like Excel reader, Excel writer, or any configuration file. We will save the in the utility package. Also, in the pom.xml, we have downloaded the Maven repository for the WebDriver Manager, Selenium, TestNG, Extend Report, Apache POI for the Excel reading, and the Log4j for the logging purpose from the MEM repository. This is our practice website, and now we are going to automate this site. As you see, there is a sign in button on the index page. After clicking this sign in button, we have navigating to the my account page, and in the my account page there will be the two sessions. First is a create account and other is a already registered. For the sign in purpose, we have to generate email address and the password for this website. So first, on the index page, we have to automate this sign in button so we can navigate to the my account page. For that, first we have to locate that button. As we follow page object model, in the page object model means if there is a 20 pages or 15 pages on the web page, like first is the index page, then after clicking sign in button, we are moving to my account. This is also page. So when we use the page object model, we have to create the separate page, separate class for the separate page. As for the index page, there will be the index class, and after navigating this account page, when we click the sign in button, we have to create also my account page. As we have a two page, first is the index page, and after clicking on the sign in button, we are moving to my account page. So first we have to create the two classes. For the index page there will be the index class, and for my account page there will be the my account class. On index page there will be the sign in button. This is our web element and we have to locate by using XPath, and we have to perform click action on that particular button. As you see, after clicking that button, we are moving to another page. So for us, this is our web element and we have to perform click action on that button. On the My Account page, in the Created Account session and in the text box for the email address, we have to enter the text, and after entering the text we have to click on the create an account button. So on the my account page we have to perform two action, like first we have to send the email, then we have to perform the click action on that button. In our Eclipse IDE, first we have to create the page for the index page. So now we are creating page for the index page and for my account page there will be a my account page. Means we are creating the page classes here, that is index page, index class. Means for the index page we have created the index page, and for the my account page we have created my account class. On the index page, first we have to create object of the WebDriver. After creating WebDriver object, we have to import the package related to this WebDriver. So we are importing. After that, we have to create constructor. You know guys what is constructor? Constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. And there will be the rule for the constructor that class name and the constructor name should be same. Class name and constructor name should be same. That's why we are giving name same like a class. Now and it it will take one parameter of remote WebDriver. Now we have to initialize this WebDriver to our WebDriver. Means we have to initialize local driver with remote WebDriver. So we are initializing it. Now we have to call init method of the page factory class. It will take two parameters. The first parameter will be our remote WebDriver, and second will be the page object. And in this way we have created the constructor. Now we have to identify the web element on the page. Here we are using page object model, so we have to use @find by annotation. If we are not using page object model, that time we use find element method to identify the element on the this page, index page, we have to identify this button. So, and these are the link. Here is an anchor tag. That's why it is a link. We said that it is a link. Now we have to locate that particular button. This is our link test on that button. So we have created in XPath in this way, that is @find by link test is equal to sign in, and also we have created variable for that. We have to import the packages. Then we will create one method for the click action. So we will identify the action on element. First we will create one method, public void, we have to perform click operation. That's why we give the name click sign in, and in this way we have created the method for the click action. Now with the help of variable, that is sign in dot click, means we have to perform the click action on the button. That's why we use the click method of the web element. In this way, on from the web page, we have created the one class for the web page, index page. That is, first we have to perform the sign in button, click action on the sign in button. So for that we have to locate that button with the help of find by annotation, and then we perform click action with the help of click method of web element. In this way we have created one page automation. After clicking sign in button, we are navigating to my account page. And when we come to my account page, in the create an account session, there will be the text box for email address and the button for the create an account. So for that, we have to create one my account class for the my account page, and we have created one my account class for that particular page. And here we have to locate this text box and this button. As we created my account page, there will be the same code for the WebDriver object creation, constructor creations. So we are copying this code here. But the one rule is for the constructor is that class name should be same as the constructor name. That's why we are creating the constructor as a class name. Now we have to locate that element. We are creating variable for it. Now we have to locate, create an account. Here we are seeing that ID will be the submit create. So we are right. We have copy this and paste here and create the button submit email. I'm import the package. Now we have to perform the action on that both button, as we here send a mail, and we have to perform the click option on that button. So we will create the method for it. Here we'll send the ID which we have to enter.